Hey, what is going on, guys? Rishabh here from Tech Rush, and this video is all about the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy J2, the 2017 edition or the 2017 edition. So, let's get started. So, here's the box, very nicely uh, font, very nice font, and very nice details on top of the box. So, it shows all the details: the screen, the Super AMOLED screen, the USB on the go, the Smart Manager, the specifications, which I'll get to in a later part of the video. So let's get started with the unboxing. So here we are. We have to literally drag the box out of the casing, the phone out of the box. So here we are, and that's the phone itself. First up, like any other Android device, the phone itself on the box, on top of the box, on top of the box. So here it is, and this is the other things, which I'll just keep on the side. So here's the phone itself, the Galaxy J2 2017. So it's a pretty small device from Samsung. So moving on, I'll just make you do a quick spec roundup. So the on the bottom we have this USB micro USB port, not a USB Type C port, and other on the besides that we have a microphone. On the right we have just a power button, nothing else, and we have this um, lid to actually open up or crank open the back cover. So I can just crank it open. So here it is, and this mind you, this device comes with a removable battery. So and here it is, and this very nicely finished chrome, and basically I think that's plastic. So on top we have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and let me just get rid of this and nothing else. On the side we have this volume rocker, finished in chrome as well. Again, all the sides are chrome, do note, and very nicely finished. Again, kudos to Samsung for that. And on the back we have the speaker, the LED flash, and the 5 megapixel primary camera, and the Samsung logo beneath it. And moving to the under the back lid, under the back lid is a battery that's rated around 2000 milliamp hour battery, and we have a micro SIM card slot, and we have a micro SD card slot which doubles up as a dual SIM card slot. So here, these are the internals, and this is the back cover. One thing to note I really like about the back cover is that it's very like a notchy back cover. So it's very interesting to see Samsung giving that finish in these phones ranging from 4 to 7,000 rupees. So that's again kudos to Samsung. And let me just do one thing more. I'll just get rid of this protective. Okay, I actually got rid of this protective covering. So here it is. The protective covering is off. So here it is. And do note that this device, unlike other of my unboxing videos, is already set up. So I wouldn't be taking you through the setup process again. So, and I know it sounds a bit weird that why doesn't he take us through the setup process? So I'm just going to take you to through the Samsung Galaxy J2's interface. And no, before that, I just got you uh, mixed up, and I'm just gonna show you what's on the front of the device. So we have a speaker here, we have a proximity sensor, we have this front camera, a Samsung logo, and that beautiful 4.7-inch not quad HD, but like a Super AMOLED screen, which is 4.7 inch, and which has 560 by 960 resolution, 560 by 960 resolution of the screen. So here it is. So here is the basic UI. So it's pretty, if you've used a Samsung phone before, it's pretty similar, and it's basically TouchWiz. So that's pretty good. And yeah, it doesn't have auto brightness, so that's a bummer. And okay, first thing what I do is I go into settings, and I basically check the Android version. Oh my god, that's 5.14 and Lollipop. Okay, that's good. And I just get it. Sorry for that. Just 1 second. Yeah, here it is. So it is just connecting to the Wi-Fi network. I've just connected it to the Wi-Fi network. So here it is. And one thing I love to do whenever a new phone comes out and when I get to review it is actually check for update. So okay, what was that? Okay, registering device, so it'll take a long time. Yeah, the device has been registered and you can see a check for update, and this is the default UI. That's a Samsung TouchWiz UI, and it's not a Samsung experience because it's not a S series phone. So and it's pretty nice and easy, nice, very convenient to navigate through the UI. And this is the menu bar. And out of this phone right now, it runs Android 5.1.1 Lollipop, but it now the Galaxy J2 is actually getting updated to Marshmallow, and here's the Lollipop Easter egg. Yeah, that's very interesting. And right now it's getting updated to Marshmallow, and all the default Samsung apps, the Samsung tools, etc., are all standard on if it's a Samsung phone. So that's the Galaxy J2 for you. And let me know what you guys think. And also I would also like to show you what is inside the Galaxy J2 box. So here it is. So this is the box, and so what we get is pretty similar. We get this quick start guide. That's pretty good. We get this charger. Samsung looks like very ordinary. It's basically rated around. One second, let me zoom in here. It's basically rated at, would say, 5 volts at 0.7 amps. Wow, and that's quite less for a charger. Nowadays chargers they can actually at fast chargers, so that's quite less. And this is the headphone. It's again the default Samsung headphones, unlike the AKGs on Galaxy S8. I know this is like a budget device, so basically they don't provide these headphones. It's very clicky. This is a button to take our end calls, and very basic standard headphones, so nothing new and nothing very interesting in this. So that's it. So coming to the back to the phone, and this is Samsung's Galaxy J2. So I think it is downloaded. So yeah, I think it's not Marshmallow. It's something as okay. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll definitely use this device and test it out for a long time, and I'll get to you guys in a bit when I completely review this device and post a full video of the review. So let me know what you guys think and about the phone, about this phone, and how and whether I should get it, whether you guys should get it or not. That will actually be uh, told in my full video review of the Samsung Galaxy J2. So let me know what you guys think, and as usual guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.